In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Capcut video editor. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. Firstly, you just want to have your photos and videos ready. And then if you haven't got it downloaded already, go to your app store and then just type in Capcut. Of course, just do the exact same thing if you're on Android and on Google Play Store. It works exactly the same. If you're not on the latest update, go ahead and update it so you have all the latest features available to you. And then once it's done, all you got to do is go ahead and open up the CapCut photo and video editor. Now, once it's open up, it's going to be looking something like this. You can just go ahead and skip this because you don't need to really do anything like that. And all you want to do is go over to the edit tab, which is on the bottom left, and you're going to see a new video at the very top, or you can open up an existing project. So it's really up to you which one you want to do. I'm going to open up this because it's an existing project. And I'm just going to remove some things as well so I can show you exactly what I mean. So let's say you just put a video in here right now. Once you go ahead and tap on it, you're going to see a lot of different things that you could do at the very bottom. For example, if I want to make a cut between the video in like 5 seconds in, let's say I want to do it right when that scene starts, like right through the transition, all I got to do is press split right here. And now there are two separate clips. And then I can also add a transition if I want to. And to do that, all I got to do is press that little white bar you see in between both clips. Once you press that, you're going to see a lot of transitions. Now, some of these are paid transitions. As you can see, there's a diamond icon next to them. But a lot of them are also free as well. So let's say I use this one. And now it's going to do that transition. As you can see, it's now done it. And obviously on certain clips, it might not look too good, but on other clips, it will. And then you can also add audio if you want to. So there's custom sounds that are built into CapCut, or you can add your own music as well. For example, if I went over and I went to sounds, which is the second option, I can go ahead and press this folder icon, and then I can press device as well. So I can select any music from the device, or I can select from iTunes as well, of course, if you're on iPhone. And then there's also text. You can add text. There's different effects, overlays. You can have an AI avatar as well, which is a brand new thing. There's honestly so many different things you can do. Let's say you're trying to post on TikTok. You can also change the aspect ratio. And the cool thing is they have different logos for each, platform that you might be trying to post on. I'm just going to keep mine original though. And then, yeah, once you're done, it's going to automatically save the project. But once you're done with it, on the top right, you're going to see the export button. So all you got to do is go ahead and click that. It's going to be exporting to your camera roll. But once it is exported to your camera roll, from here, you're also going to be able to automatically go ahead and, post it to Instagram, your stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can also share it on TikTok as well, as you can see, which is, the thing that's most commonly used.